Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. We have 1 minute to go before the open. Watching the daily charts here, these rocket ship charts that you see in front of you, just really powering higher here. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. Relentless parabolic curve. Of course, parabolic curves are terminal. It means we're going to have a pause at some point here. And we will see when that happens and how that transpires. Here's a 30-minute chart of the three sisters, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow, showing yesterday's high and low. You can see that we are above and above and above on all three for now. We had retail sales month over month this morning, and I didn't do much with to the market at all. And here, of course, are the 1 minute with VWAP. We'll see how this picture changes when the market opens in 45 seconds. I'll be putting you on pause, guys, cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments, things like that to keep this video nice and tight. But I thank you for being here with me. I'll put you on pause for now, and we will come back intermittently as things develop. I'm looking to not trade today. That's the way I come in every day, especially when VIX is below 13 or 14. Yesterday, a couple days ago, below 12 into the 11 handle. And I only trade if the setup is absolutely optimal. In other words, pretty much all the stars are lined up. And that's averaging about one trade a day as a result of that. When VIX is above 20, I probably average 3 trades, sometimes 4 trades a day. So it's a very different ball game, but still be very profitable doing just that. So we've opened up sharply down here a little bit on the Dow, sharply on the 1 minute, probably a little bit if you look on the other charts. Let me show it to you. See that there? That's the 30-minute chart. All of a sudden, that little thing, that's why I say a little bit there, sharply here. It's all about perspective. This market is fractal. I'll put you on pause, guys, and bring you back. All right, guys, watching the NASDAQ here, looking for a sell, guys. It's 10:15, 10:16 time of day. Just thinking, this is not live yet, but it might be very, very soon. Give me one moment. And I'm in, guys. And I'm in. Triggered in. Just want to fix this marker right. There. All right. Coin has been tossed. Tight stop. Not going my way yet. Just toying with me just a little bit. This is about the time we would break out of a opening range. That kind of narrow open range you see there. And there's the break. Let's see if we can get down here. I'll put you on pause and bring you back. We'll talk more about this trade. And target 1 has been hit, finally. Been sitting in this thing. Moved to a 2-minute chart to get more candles in here, as you can see. Entered here at around 10:16, 45 minutes into the session. And finally hitting 1R after some pain and pain and pain. Came within half a point twice of hitting 1R. Now we've done it. So the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. Of course, the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has now moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. So they will either get 0, a break even, or 2R and nothing in between. It's the 1.5R and 2R all or nothing traders that are going to sit here and wait to see what happens from here. This is a zone break style trade, guys. As you can see, we were in this consolidation range bound mode all the way through the European session. Of course, the European session is still on for another 15 minutes or so, and then it ends as well. We finally had a breakout of that, and then the continuation move here. So impulse down, corrective up to the 21, and simply sold the break of the pivot. NASDAQ was the only one that was doing that out of the 3. The S&P and the Dow were still holding within their open range zone, so I simply sold the weakest And it still held up pretty darn good, didn't it? But finally did make the move. Let's see if we can do this 1.5 hour here together. And there it is, guys, 1.5 hour. And so it's just one more trader sitting in here, one more model. It's a 2 hour all or nothing, waiting to see what happens from here. I'll put you back on pause. We'll come back and see if we can finish this thing off at the most extreme target. At the primary target of 1 hour has been met. And there it is, guys. Finally, nearly 3 hours later. This is a 3-minute chart now to get fit all the candles in. And so 3 models, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, all or nothing, all made full profits. And the 2 hour move stopped to break even, of course, was stopped out at break even. Nobody lost money. 3 out of 4 models made full profits. Thanks for being here today, guys. I'm going to close this one down and see what else is waiting for us here now that we're just coming out of the twilight zone at exactly 1 o'clock. New candle is about to start. Actually, this is the new candle right there. We're 45 seconds into it. Have an amazing afternoon, guys. Thanks for your support. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.